Congratulations on completing the HTML and CSS course. Now, in the first lecture of the HTML course, I explained you about how HTML represents the skeletal frame of the body. The CSS represents the skin and muscles of the body. And JavaScript represents the nervous system, that is the brain of the body. Now, the body will not function if there is, if there is no brain, right? So, if you have a skeletal framework, if you have a skin but you don't have a nervous system or the brain, then how the body will function? Similarly, for the website, if our HTML, the markup of the framework is ready, the presentation is also ready, but there is no event that is happening. That is, when you click a button, nothing happens, or when you scroll, nothing happens. Then you don't see any data between. You don't make calls and get the data, so nothing happens. There is no interaction between the external and internal pages and external websites, right? Then there is no use of that website, right? There is no life inside the website. So in this particular course, we'll be giving life to our website. That is, in this JavaScript course, we'll be giving the life to our website. So what we'll be studying in this course, we'll be studying everything of JavaScript from the basics to the advanced level, right? So let's move to the next video.